performance ni Aizawa in this Luyit na map with his diversion plays, and nakita natin just how fast the rest of his team rotates with him at the helm. Again, we've mentioned noong game number 1 kung gaano naging ka-threatening yung presence ng isang chip. Now, with Aizawa's Luyi, yung diversion play, yun yung naging threat sa side ng RRQ Kaito because Echo Proud was everywhere. And on top of that, yung similar thing na ginawa ng RRQ Kaito The Kingdom, noong game number 1 na nagkaroon sila ng early game aggression, yun din naman ang ipinamalas ng mga Orca, which has been their identity since the MDL Philippines Season 1, sa kung saan merong Echo Express na chu-chu-chu na pinapatunayan sila kasi every single time hindi sila natatalo sa every time na magkakaroon sila ng mga turtle matchups, and yun yung pinakita nila. Yung mga picks na meron dito, yung side ng Echo Proud, pinatunayan nila na kayang-kaya nilang tauhan kung sino man yung mga necessary people na kailangan nilang tauhan. And in fact, maganda rin yung pagkakapick ng Roger as well as the Tamos because that caught everyone off guard. Again, the Fredrin has been kept open kasi nga naman maraming possible counters, but then pinatunayan sa atin ni Palos